Welcome to the trading room market daily technical analysis update. Today let's talk about the market as usual, starting with the S&P. The only trade we are currently in is the EURUSD. I will be talking about that in a second. So let's jump in to see what's going on with the S&P daily chart. We got the 4,000 level. We got nothing going on for quite some time already. The market is really exhausted here, and we have this range, and to make things worse, we are in the middle of the range. We have no trading signals. Scenario 1 could be maybe the most likely after this push. Then like this, it's like a long flag, you can call that, but it's quite being the flag here. Yeah, it could also easily just move on sideways or break lower. So that's about it. Nothing new. Unfortunately, the S&P really went out of steam. Gold is interesting. Gold is, if you follow me and you watch my my videos, previous videos on the daily updates and how the market is developing, we have this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we have this uptrend, then it gets a bit more choppy, right? We have an interruption because we broke below the last higher low, and then we start counting again. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we are actually forming a down sequence here. It's like a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So meaning it would be a official short trend, downtrend, but looking at the dimension of it, I don't trust that down move. Plus, the pattern I was talking about is, if you, let's say, to not get more confused here, let's take away these the down bars. You have this A wave, then you have the B wave, and as I always say, the C wave is most of the time the size of the A. So this is where we would like to go long at the end of the C. I was always talking about the 1980 level, and yeah, we could do that, and we most likely will. It actually looks pretty good. That would be the first scenario, the most likely scenario, but also market could just move higher from here or move sideways, right? I'm sorry. Yeah, moving down as well as the third option. The up move would be this signal, the C signal, right? We would go long right around the 1980 level. Yeah, this is actually nicely developing. I was talking about this pattern for already after this A and then the B. We didn't know how far up the B will go, and yeah, look at it, the C is developing. So pretty soon we are going to be long in gold again. So now let's talk about the actually really nicely textbook trade here from the euro. We have this down pattern, we have the extreme high, then we got an interruption, then we have another high, we got a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So what happened was, let me take off the position real quick. The market was building these significant lows here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then we are looking for the breakout of this last lower low, and we want to buy on the pullback. So that would be right here, right? That's where was my initial position. Was the 1.0966 level, but the market never really came up to fill our order, to fill our position. It showed a lot of momentum, didn't even have the time or the strength to pull back up all the way to at least test the last high, and then moved lower. So of course we had to adjust our position, and our new entry was the next lower low, with the stop being above the high. Now I already moved the stop lower because we already the trading plan is already at breaking even, and it did look quite similar that the market is not gonna make it all the way up to the last significant low, and I was patiently waiting because I said I'm not gonna just jump in, you know. It's a beautiful, you can see that those waves, those swings are really textbook like, and I said, well, then if it happens, if it you know runs away without me, then what can I do? Yeah, I'm not gonna jump into the market just to be in it and then increase my risk. It's all about the risk-reward ratio, right? So we waited one day, we waited another day, and look at that, bam, we got filled really nice. And after that, the market is already moving into our direction, into our favor. Let's see if it will hold. I'm conservative with this because we have already this down move, quite significant down move. You can see it on the daily as well. And you know, there might be a little correction all the way up to this resistance area here. So I don't want to, you know, give it a lot of room here. I rather try another entry a bit higher, you know, around this support level. I'm sorry, resistance level. Yeah, that would be the plan, to get out if the market comes up with basically no loss, break even, and then try to find another short entry. But let's hope the market will continue down, maybe it even move sideways, you know, or it will stop us out, and then we would look for another short entry at this level around here, 1.098, something like that. So I keep you posted on the EURUSD, looking quite nice and beautiful. Like, this shows the system is really like working, right? We were patient, we didn't jump in because I was, you know, a little bit, let's say, yeah, I was a little bit disappointed that we didn't get filled in the first, you know, here after the first pullback. And then I had to adjust my position, and then I was waiting, right? I said, well, this high, let's see if we can get filled. This high, and then it looked like, oh, market is already moving down again. And then boom, we finally got filled. So patience, you know, it will work out. It's beautiful. It's textbook like pattern, textbook like trading. Got the plan, stick to the plan, and it will pay off. Last market is the DAX, the German DAX. Pfft. Nothing going on. Orange scenario, most likely scenarios, maybe the up move and sideways, very possible as well, and then the down move could occur as well. So guys, thank you for watching. I keep you posted weekdays, Monday to Friday, I'm talking about the S&P, the Euro, Gold, and the German DAX. And we are looking for signals on the 4-hour chart. You can sit, you don't have to sit in front of the computer all day. You just trade, the bigger time frames, and they are beautiful signals. They are much stronger than going down to the 15 or 5-minute chart. So I can just continue with my daily life. Don't have to sit in front of the desk. This is actually it. I did my analysis with you guys already for today, and I will take a look at the market. Maybe once a day during the day around mid-time, and see if I have to adjust my positions or my stops to manage my trades. And the rest I'll do at night when I keep you guys updated and look for new signals. That's it. You can be a trader. You don't have to be this amazing day trader that makes 3,000-4,000 a day, which most of the time is crap. It all depends on your account size, first of all, and second of all, everybody brags about winning. What about the losing part of this game? This is this is the toughest part of trading, the losing part. You got to get that figured out first in order to be constantly profitable. So I will talk about that too. Keep on subscribing. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Bye bye.